glass. Yesterdays are fading past, miles behind those prison gates. Now I'm writing my own fate. No more numbers by my name, no more living inside the shame. Every mile beneath these wheels reminds me how freedom feels. I won't stop, I won't fall, I'll survive through it all. The road ahead is calling me, this is where I'm meant to be. No looking back, I'm gone for good. Made it out just like I knew I would. Windows down, let the engine roar. I'm never walking through those doors. The sky is mine, the road is clear. No more living life in fear. Every heartbeat, every mile, freedom finally makes me smile. Makes me smile. Every scar made me strong. I carried hope for far too long. Cold concrete couldn't steal my fire. Now I'm climbing higher and higher. Mirror shows what I've been through, but the future paints a better view. Every town I leave behind takes another piece of